Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new ATV video. Today we are swapping out the gearbox oil in the Can-Am. This one's pretty straightforward. You just gotta remove the plastic, drain the old gear oil out, and put in the new gear oil. The gearbox has two openings, one for filling and one for draining. This small plastic cap covers the fill hole. The drain plug is down here. You want to be very careful removing the fill cap. As I mentioned before, it's made of plastic and can be very easily stripped. When you remove the fill cap, some gear oil may spill out, so you should probably put something underneath. As you can see, the gear oil just kind of pools on the skid plate and it really makes a mess everywhere. Short of removing the skid plate though, I'm not sure how I would be able to not have that happen. I would say you can remove the drain plug first, but either way, some of it still got on the skid plate, so. Reaching the drain plug looks like it would be difficult, but from underneath you can reach it pretty easily with a wrench or even an impact gun like I did. Also, please ignore the bright green coolant dripping down from everywhere. It's because the same day that I filmed this, I also emptied out the coolant from the radiator. That video will be uploaded soon enough once I have it edited down. I fast forwarded through this because it takes forever to drip down, especially because the skid plate kind of like holds a lot of it back from dripping. Hopefully none of you mind. Once the drain plug is back in place, it's time to fill it up with gear oil. I did some light research on the internet and the gear oil I ended up buying was Valvoline 8090. It's really easy to find. Amazon sells it and pretty much every auto parts store sells it as well. You're also going to probably need some sort of pump to get the gear oil into the actual gearbox. I used one of these style pumps, as you see in the bottom left. The way you know it's full is once it starts dripping out, that means you're done. Put the little plastic plug back on. Remember not to put too much force into it because, once again, it is plastic and will break. And that's it, you're done. It's a pretty simple job and you can do it with minimal tools. Once again, if you like this sort of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.